how many words required for ebook? I was told 7,500.
See, it depends. Actually, um, the SOM recommends that it should contain some 12 to 15,000 words.
Yeah.
That's all.
10,000 to
So,
15,000.
yeah, suppose you have got more than 30,000 words, you can give 2 books. He is giving that type of opinion. That people are not much interested for bigger books. Suppose you have got some 300 pages or 400 pages, then people will get bored unless and until there is some specific genre is there. So he is giving opinion that only give some 10 to 15,000 words, and you give books in series. Suppose I am writing on brain, and if some 15,000, 20,000 words are not sufficient, I mean, I publish one book and then again I give another book, same series.
Okay, about this series, I have published my this second book,
Okay.
but they are not in series. Now I can
Yeah, you
put
can
them in
make it in
series.
series later on. And you can make it.
How?
If there is option in the bookshelf that
Okay.
want to make it series. Then if you are telling yes, then it will automatically ask.
Automatically, it will guide. Okay.
Yes, yes.
My internet is unstable.
Right.
I'm in a hotel.
Okay.
I came for out of station.
Right. Nice. You are out of station also. Then also you are able to join. Very nice. Thank you.
Hotel room is stable.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the order actually? After writing the book, we can search for keywords, or
see
category and all later on, or
yeah. See, you have to concentrate first on writing.
Writing, okay.
Yeah.
So far my progress is 2,500 words. I completed that stuff.
Okay.
I mean, texted. Earlier I used to write it. After last program, I started texting in the system.
See, you have to write on in a persistent way. Sometimes you are not feeling to write, but you write something. Suppose you are writing 200, 300 words every day, then don't stop. You you write some 100 words if you are not feeling.
Okay.
Sometimes you may go for some 600, 700 words also, but give continuity.
Not to stop, persistent.
Yeah. So it will always give you some encouragement and motivation.
What I understand, first of all, let me complete 10,000 words.
Yeah. So
after that, I can search for the keywords.
Yes. Later on, there is no problem.
And title, subtitle.
Yeah.
And I got the idea.
Okay.
That is already evolving. It's changing. Earlier it was a different title. When I started writing, the title is changing.
So title also, no, you can write in command language, like that. Rewire your brain. I give like that. So it will always attract the people. That titles, you can search for titles also. You can just go through the Amazon books. You can observe some titles, and then you can decide the title. In the same way, your outline. But you have to first, decide your outlines. Later on, suppose you are writing 1 or 2 outlines or 1 or 2 chapters, then sometimes you may think, okay, what I should write now. But if you have decided your chapters, then you are going from one room to another room. So it will be easy. See, it is there in a chat box. Answer the public.com. That you can save it, and later on see where you can ask any question. So when you are asking the question, then there will be some topics, and then you can write it. Narayan, I just missed it. I wanted to tell. See in the chat box.
Yeah, answer the public.com.
Yeah. So
and this also, no, Para?
Sir, Quora also there, but this is for specific for finding out some questions.
Okay.
Suppose I want to recruit some people in armed forces, then I can write there National Defense Academy. So some question will be generated. So you can download it as a your Excel file. You can export in Excel file. Then you select very much related questions, some 10, 15, 20, and then you, when you are answering that question, that is your book. So particular topic, if you want to write some problem, suppose just now before some few weeks I wrote one article on how to reduce your belly.
Okay.
Yeah. So I wrote how to reduce belly. Then questions generated. Then I wrote that and started answering, and then reorganized, and then I published article. So it is very easy. When you are writing the answer, then it becomes your topic. I mean,
on my topic, I used to do a LinkedIn post.
Pardon?
LinkedIn post.
Yeah, LinkedIn post or Medium, and then Quora, anywhere you can put. But when you are writing, and then it is always good to interact with social media, because later on it will be useful for you.
Yeah, for advertisement.
Yeah, because see, when you are writing, we are not only authors, we are entrepreneurs. So we have to simultaneously publish also and then market also. So there are two types of marketing, organic and inorganic. So in organic, I mean, we are doing without spending anything. So, but there are paid marketing also with.
Is it effective, organic marketing?
See, organic means, I mean, the social media posting, some Facebook and then LinkedIn and everywhere. There, you don't have to pay anything. You can Facebook and all, you can pay and you can use it, but you should always mix both, because without I mean, if people are not knowing about your book, then very less chances of purchasing. And Quora and Medium and all, when you are I mean putting some article blogs, then you should always give your book link. Suppose you are writing an article and some 700, 800 words are there. At the bottom of there, you can give one link, or you can give even your photo of your book. So when people are clicking on that, it should direct to Amazon, your page. So when people are clicking and going there, so it will create algorithm, and when algorithm is created, then it is always good for Amazon.
Okay.
The book becomes marketable.
And how this 8 categories support us? Addition.
7.
8 categories.
7 categories. Yeah. See, in the starting you can give 1 or 2 categories, and then later on you can edit.
Okay.
Suppose, what is your book name that last you have presented? I mean, published first book.
And first book was Don't Let Your Entrepreneurship Sink.
Okay. So in the suppose you are writing on entrepreneurship, then you can related, I mean, keywords you can search, and you can go for category, and it takes a little bit time if you don't have the tool.
Hmm.
Because in tool rocket is there. So in that it is very easy for searching, category wise.
Okay.
But if you got good category, exact category, then chances are there for best selling.
Okay.
And when you got a bestseller tag, then you will get a good response. Last book I have written on master your managerial behavior. So it became bestseller. But after becoming bestseller, every now and then it is sold somewhere in Australia and UK
Okay.
and everywhere, because they are searching for best-selling tags and all. So once it becomes
Okay.
bestseller, then people will always see for that. Yeah, this was bestseller, and then they will purchase.
And what about this paid marketing you were telling?
Paid marketing, there are some site also, and SOM has also given in course that these are the BookBub and other all. And then AMS advertisement is Amazon itself, they are advertising. There are some options there in book shelf itself. So there you can
AMS
select.
I have started, but I'm not getting any response last 2-3 days. Or it will start generating response.
There are some agencies also like
Where is that?
BookBub and all. They are taking some $25 or something, but you can go that in course it is given everything. So once you go
Okay.
course how to use it and all, and there are some videos, so you can go and you can once or twice you can try, because
Okay.
suppose you are spending some 5,000 rupees. So in long term, it may give more than 5,000 rupees profit. Initially, you may not get, but later on, it gives 2x value.
Okay.
And once you have published, straight away people will not come to know that you have published some book. But later on, as and when they see your book, they start taking interest.
Okay.
But see, from initially, you cannot expect much royalties and all. It will take little time, because you cannot earn that much money in starting, because sales will be very less in initially, unless and until you are going for use marketing and launching and all. So now that SOM has also started every month launching. Earlier it was not there. I think some 8th December when launching is there. So in that your book you can include in that launching. So you get some 2 to 3 minutes talking about yourself and your book and all, and people will come to know that yes, some book is there. And every now and then you start posting your book photo or some text or something like that in Facebook and LinkedIn and Twitter and all. So you open account everywhere. Just within 1 week, 4 to 5 times you just post it. And then people
So organic or paid ad or?
No, that without paying. Paid means some agencies are there. That agency you can consult them. They will see agency what they are doing. They are having some 5,000, 10,000 readers list email. So now suppose you are contacting them, they will take $20 or $25 or something like that, and then they will send email to these people that okay, KVS Narayanan has published this book and it is very nice or something like that. That text will be there. So out of the 5 to 10,000 people, some 50, 100 people may buy this your book.
No, fine. The exact audience, no readers, ebook readers.
Yeah, but see that ratio is very less. I mean, one book earlier I had published that version 1 is better than version none. So generally what I do, I send some 1,000 email. I have got ConvertKit. You know, email will I think you will learn ConvertKit later on. So ConvertKit is automated email system. Suppose I am writing dear, then that keyword is there. So when that I'm writing about my book or something like that, and when I'm clicking, it will go to 1,000 people or 2,000, 5,000, whatever list I have got. But when you're getting just like your mail merge, it will dear Amit, dear KVS Narayan. So it will go by name to everybody. So you are clicking, and that email is going to 1,000 or 2,000 people, but they will get as a personal email. So you are writing about your book or something like that, and then they will respond. But the ratio is very less. Suppose if you are sending to 100 people, only 20 will open. 80 people will not open the email. And out of 20, some 4 to 5 people may purchase. So if you are sending to 1,000 people, chances are that 20 to 25 books will be sold, not more than that. You cannot expect. Sometimes you will think that, oh, I have sent here 1,000 people and only some 10 books are sold, but it will happen like that. From out of 10, out of 1,000, I mean, see, 4% of 4%, I mean 20% of 20%. That is, you can expect 4%. When you are sending to 100 people, you think that only 4 people will buy. If 4 people are buying, you should be happy. This is the truth I am telling. So you have to reach to so many people through your YouTube. You can register your YouTube and you can start putting some videos. If you are not conversant, then 1 or 2 minutes video you can put it. And I am using podcast also. So podcast is good service. Some in foreign countries, some 25% people from foreign countries, they are listening my podcast. But always I am giving my book link there. So we will come to know that yes, he has clicked and he has gone to Amazon. The link will go to Amazon, and then our algorithm will be there. Then that Amazon is taking in good way that yes, this fellow has started marketing in some other ways and all. So it gives a good effect. But if you are writing 4 to 5 books, then only you will get a good experience about your marketing, and then later on, I'm telling you, it will become your habit. Now I am publishing every month. Every month, one book I am publishing. See how I'm doing. See, some people. I am just retired from State Bank of India. But when we are in job or in service, you may not get much time. So what you should do? See, sometimes you are writing in the morning. Sometimes you are in late night. But I am always early riser because I read 5 a.m. Club of Robin Sharma. It is very good book. So before some 2-3 years, I started getting up early in the morning. Otherwise, I was getting up at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock like that. But since last 3 years, I am getting up at 5 o'clock. And then 5 to 7, 2 hours, That is my victory hours. I am doing my yoga, my meditation, my writing, everything. Because everybody is sleeping, our family members are not disturbing. So within 2 hours, you can do lot many things. And then later on, you don't have to worry about your writing or anything. And also night time also you can do. So generally when you are writing, Amit, in the morning or in the evening?
Morning. I prefer morning.
Right.
Yeah. Same case like yours.
And sometimes you are writing, that you are yourself in doubt here. What people will think I am writing. Yeah, but don't think like that. You just write down, and after some 1 or 2 hours or later on next day when you are reading, you will find as a third person that yes, you have written very good things. But at the same time, sometimes you feel that yeah, it's not good. Yeah, what people will think. Sometimes you may feel like that.
Yeah.
So,
While reading the second time, after completion of draft,
yes,
first draft, when we read the second time, then we think that
yes,
what I have written.
yes, definitely. And see what I am doing. Suppose I am writing in the morning. Suppose some 5 or 6 headings are there. So on heading itself, I start writing without thinking much, and then I don't edit then and there, because there may be some spelling mistake also, grammatical mistake also, but you should not do simultaneously. You leave it. Suppose Apple's spelling mistake is there, you have put A-double-P-L-E. Don't worry. If you are knowing instantly, okay. Otherwise, forget it. Don't worry. And then in the evening or in the next day or night time, that time, you can amend it. And because at same time, if you are doing, a lot of time will be wasted. And what I am doing, see that there are some software then that text to speech. So you have written one paragraph. Now you think that okay, you have finished it. Then go to that text to speech. Then just you listen what you have written. You will come to know, yes, I've done this mistake. Then you can make it. You can improve it. So in this way, when you are listening, you become third person. You are not the same person. So you will come to know, yes, I have done this mistake. And finally, there is a editor also. Later on, they can improve everything.
Text to speech is the active voice.
Yeah. See, whatever the text you have written, it will speak. Yeah. And that PDF itself, Microsoft Edge PDF, you can convert same word into PDF, and then and there it is there. So you can listen it, and in Google also it is there. But you just listen whatever you have written. That is the fastest way. And suppose sometimes it may happen that when you are writing on some topic, so you are not getting some good stuff. So what you can do, you can search in internet and on same topic. So somebody has written, you can go to Medium also, or you can go to Quora also. Somebody has written something. You copy there. Copy it and then you write in your own words, because same words you cannot write. And if at all, if you think that yes, it is very good writing and it is good value,
you can take and write in your own words.
Yeah. Then yeah. So if you don't think that it is some good fellow is there, on philosopher is there or something like that, you just write it, copy same thing, you can paste it, but you have to give reference that so and so has written like this. So there will not be any issue. Otherwise, if you are writing somebody's text, then they may take objection. And as a matter of fact, your outline should have some research. It should not be only your ideas and your wordings. You should always that Dr. APJ Kalam told like this, like that you write his text. Same ditto, copy it and paste it. So there is no problem. Yeah, but if you are if you want to write in your
we can rephrase also, no? Rephrase that sentence.
Yeah.
And
see,
tools are there. We can just copy and paste there, and it will rephrase the whole content.
Yeah, but what I mean to say, so ditto copy, if you are doing same thing, then you have to give reference, and you may sometimes give reference.
After copying,
yeah,
we can just paste that matter on that tool.
Yeah, and
rephrasing tool.
It will change.
It will automatically
yes. There are some tools also. It will give some. It will change the. Sentence
will be either tense will be changed or complete sentence will be different.
So but you should keep on writing. I mean, just after finishing one book, just give 1 week gap or something like that, and again start writing. So people are writing 1,000 or 2,000 words a day. Some people are writing. I was writing some 500 words a day, but now almost I write 800 to 1,000 words every day. And where you are giving for editing, Amit?
Editing, I have given first book Fiverr.
Yeah.
Freelancer.
How much they are taking?
$30, $35.
Okay. And one Notion Press is also there. You can suppose in Amazon and all, if you are publishing your paperback, it is very much costly sometimes, because it is coming from abroad, and your paperback may cost some 3 to 4 times of your that price. Suppose you have got
paperback is not allowed for Indian customers.
Yeah, but see, once I tried, I brought from Amazon.com, and then book cost was some rupees 300, something like that, but it came for 1,200 rupees. So for that you have got Pathi.com and Notion Press and other publishers are there. There you can put it, and it will be just some 50 or 40 rupees courier charges will be there, and it will be very easy. So I think.
What about others? Anybody else?
Yeah, I think they have not come. We'll wind up within 5-10 minutes.
Okay.
Because if they would have come, then within 5-10 minutes there may be some. I wrote. That's why I wrote that everybody may not be free, but whoever is 1 or 2 fellow, we can discuss it. It will be useful.
not about who is free, but if we are facing any problem, then
Yeah.
we can get
Yes, definitely. And
guidance here.
yeah, if I have got some doubt, I can ask you. So we, with each other's help, we
Yeah.
can do it.
What about sir? How much work done? KVS sir?
Yeah, Narayanan.
Yes, hello.
Yes, I think written some 3,000 words, no?
2,500 words will be completed. And
Okay, up till now 2,500 words.
Huh?
Yeah.
Up till now?
Yeah, 2,500 words.
2,500 words.
Okay.
See, we have got sufficient time now. More than 1 month is there. You can easily finish the book.
We can also think 1 year is left.
In 2 days.
Oh, very nice. That means
I have to get 1,000 words a day. Only thing, the consistency is there, as you said rightly, persistence.
Yeah.
That is the key.
See,
Actually, you're meeting, no? I'm sure that with another 3 days, I'll complete another 2,500.
Very good.
So this community is required. That's what.
Yeah. Some motivation is should be there. And see, in one of my articles, I have written about a surgical strike. You know what is surgical strike? Yeah, it is in other way I have taken. See, suppose you have slept in the night some 9:30. Early you have slept. You are tired, but you got up at 4 a.m. 4 o'clock morning. Then nobody will disturb you. So you start writing. Once in a while, not every day. And then you sometimes you will be surprised. You are able to write some 3,000 to 4,000 words in a day. So it happens sometimes that you are very much energetic sometimes, and there is no disturbance. You start writing, and casually you can do like that also. But it is always good to write every day some words. So earlier I was not getting much time. So what I was doing, I decided, okay, I will write 5,000 words every day. But sometimes I'm not able to write. So what I was doing, I am writing 200 words before my breakfast, 200 words before my lunch, and 200 words before my dinner. So it will become more than 500. So like that, in last publicathon I published 2 books.
After writing, you're using Grammarly, or otherwise you're leaving to the editor?
See, that Microsoft Word is sufficient, I think. Grammarly is also nice, and it is a paid version is also there. But I
leave it to editor, you will do it.
Yeah. See, after finishing our manuscript, we can give it for editing.
No need to check Grammarly.
Yeah, we can tell them that we want to do mechanical editing and proofing, because detailed editing will take much time, and they will induce their text also. But it is always good that you give your idea only, because if somebody else is writing for you, then purpose is not solved. You are not writer.
Right.
So your stuff only, but they should edit it, mechanical editing and proofing. So anyway, we are good to go.
Yeah, good to go.
Yeah, we'll meet again, and every Saturday, because same link will.
Send the link to you. Who are joined, let them join.
Same link will work. Because I have a recurring type of meeting I have created.
Yeah, sure. So thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for it.
And tell me.
We all can write on the WhatsApp group if meeting was good and all.
See, if any doubt or something like that, feel free to ask anything, because anytime you require some help. So sometimes after writing 5-6 books also, I require some help, and I'm getting help from people. So we'll never hesitate. You ask anything, any silly question,
Yeah.
and because it is our community, we are friend only. We can ask to each other. Okay.
Okay, thank
So,
you.
Thanks.
thank you very much. We'll see.